Hey guys, it's Dana with Fabulous Style, and I have a ThredUp a DIY designer box to show you. I've never gotten one of these boxes before, and I've always wanted to try one. So other people who've done hauls said that they just keep like stalking the website constantly, watching for them to go on sale, and so that's just what I did. Every morning I figured they probably put them for sale in the mornings. So I live on the West Coast. I think I bought mine that came up for sale like around 8:15 in the morning on a Thursday. So, but I had noticed that like the shoe boxes will be available, and they're only available for like 15 minutes or a half hour, and then they sell out. Or the big, huge bulk clothing boxes, which I don't know. I don't sell that much, so I wouldn't want to get one of those. But I've been wanting a DIY designer box, and so I finally got one. I actually got it really quickly. It wasn't supposed to come until the end of next week, or like the beginning of the week after, like the beginning of December. So I don't know how it got here so fast, but that's great. So I will just get started. I have opened it up and I've looked through it. Just, I couldn't help myself, and I don't know. I did an unboxing video once, and I didn't like my reactions to things, and so I thought I'll just do a haul. So anyway, here's the first thing that I picked up. These are actually my size, but I don't know. I mean, right now we're in the pandemic and I'm not going to work in an office, so I don't even know where I would wear these. And I've never really needed navy blue loafers before, but these are Ferragamos, and they're, a little bit dated, but they're actually just like a really classic design. They have a little tassel here, so I'm sure I will put these up for sale. But they are, I mean, to me, these are the perfect size because they're an 8D, and Ferragamos, they go like really narrow, so yeah, to me, these would just be the perfect size if I was looking for Ferragamo shoes. So hopefully those will sell. Then this is a pair of espadrille wedges, black patent leather, and there is quite a bit of creasing right here. But these are Prada. So other than that, they've been resold here, but they're 36.5. The back part isn't too bad. So, I mean, I think they'll definitely sell, just not for a whole lot, because I can try to clean them up a little better. But they're in pretty good shape, really. Definitely wearable. The only sign of wear really is just this natural kind of creasing there. Then these were stuffed. They would look great. But this is a pair of like driving moccasins, I think, but they're Jimmy Choo, and have Jimmy Choo in there. They're covered in like a cotton lace. It's like a leather loafer covered in cotton lace. They have the Jimmy Choo logo. So the only real wear on these is right along this edge, but that's it. Other than that, they just need to be stuffed so they stay open and don't collapse, but they're nice. And these are also a 36.5. And then I've never seen shoes by Lacroix. These are 36.5, so maybe they all came from the same person, and just they didn't think they were good enough to sell on the site. These do have like some crease marks here, but they also have, I think they're a little bit dirty too, so I just need to, I'll clean those up and then just take really good pictures of those crease marks, because they're still gonna kind of show when being worn. But other than that, they're actually in really good shape. The heel tips look fine. In the back, little kitten heel. Just little kitten heel mules with kind of straps across. And then something I need to find out is this is a pair of Gucci sunglasses, and I need to find out if it's possible to have lenses replaced, because these do have scratches on the lenses. But I will show you, or even if they just did like refinishing, but it does seem like I asked once before, because I have a pair of prescription glasses that I took to an eyewear place, and they added a sunglass coating. And I think I asked them at the time if they can remove the coating from old sunglasses and then put a new coating on it, and I'm pretty sure she said no. So I have no idea what it would cost to have these replaced. I might just keep them and clean them up really good and wear them, because I don't know, they're definitely scratched, or not scratched, but it's like it's worn off, but it's not really scratched. I don't feel any scratches on the lenses at all. Just the coating is worn. Here's what the sides look like. And yeah, they do have little sparkles, little crystals in there. They're nice. They're really nice. I love the color of them. So y'all do, if you know about sunglasses and whether you can have them just the color of the sunglasses redone, please let me know. I would love to know. Oh, this is weird. There's another snap thing here. Oh, does this open up? Okay. Oh, maybe without the sunglasses in there, it folds up differently. Okay, then 2 pieces of clothing. So what did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it was 7 items for $90 with free shipping. I don't know how to say this brand. So if you know how to say it, let me know. I'm not even gonna try. But it's a size large, but this is pretty, must be very nicely form-fitting, this dress, like a stretchy bandage type dress. So, but it's a nice color. It's like on the camera, it's coming across a little bit brighter than it actually is. It's more of like I don't know, between a pistachio and a teal, I would say. Anyway, very pretty. And then the next piece is, I would love to have this for myself, so I haven't tried it on or anything. It does definitely need to be cleaned, so I may check into what it would cost for dry cleaning. But this is a Dolce Gabbana moto jacket. I love it. It's wool, like this off-white wool. It has this piece, which I don't know, looks like a bib. So it looks like it goes across the front. So I'm not really sure. I need to look into that too, because you can definitely tell on this side that it buckles from this side. So anyway, you'd have to be really cold to close that up and wear it that way. But it's a gorgeous jacket. It's really, really nice. There's a couple just little spots on it, so I could just clean it myself. I'll probably try. And then a couple, I need to go over it and see if these are actual poles or not. I guess I don't really see any actual poles in the wool, but yeah. So love this jacket. And that is it for my 7 items. But I'm really pretty happy. I haven't looked up comps on anything, so I don't know how much I can resell all of this for. But just for the experience. I mean, if I just get all my money back plus a little bit, it'll be worth it, just because it was so much fun to finally get a box and then, you know, wait for it to come and the anticipation. So anyway, yeah, so I'm happy with that box, and that was my ThredUp DIY designer box from the rescue section of their website. And thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in any of these items, I haven't listed them yet, so just message me and if you need any more information. So thanks so much, and please subscribe to my channel. I have another thrift haul coming right after this video. So see you then. Bye.